Welcome! Ever found yourself dreaming of soaring above it all, escaping the everyday hustle in the ultimate symbol of freedom, a private jet? It's a powerful image, isn't it? The allure of skipping queues, arriving refreshed, and having your own personal sanctuary in the sky is undeniable. But what if I told you that beneath that glittering surface, there's a whole other side to private jet travel that's often overlooked? We often see the glamour, the effortless transitions, the sheer convenience. And yes, for some, it's a necessary tool for business or a cherished way to connect with loved ones across vast distances. The courage to pursue ambitious goals, to build empires, and to nurture deep friendships and love often requires us to be where we need to be, when we need to be there. Private jets can, in certain circumstances, facilitate that. However, let's talk about the less discussed realities. The environmental impact is significant. The carbon footprint of a private jet is substantially higher per passenger than commercial flights, a fact that weighs heavily on our planet's future. This isn't about judgment, it's about awareness. Making informed choices, even about how we travel, contributes to a healthier world for everyone. Then there's the financial aspect. The cost of owning or chartering a private jet is astronomical, extending far beyond the ticket price. Maintenance, hangar fees, crew salaries, insurance, it all adds up, creating a barrier that's simply out of reach for the vast majority. This can create a subtle disconnect, a feeling of being in a different world, which can, ironically, sometimes make genuine connection harder. Think about the logistics too. While you bypass airport crowds, you still need to get to and from often remote private airfields. The time saved in the air can sometimes be offset by the ground travel required. And while the privacy is a draw, it can also mean a more isolated experience, missing out on the incidental encounters and shared humanity that can happen on a commercial flight. The pursuit of success and the desire to maintain strong bonds are incredibly important. We all strive for efficiency and comfort. But sometimes the most profound experiences, the most authentic connections, and the most meaningful growth come not from the fastest or most exclusive route, but from the journey itself, with all its shared moments and unexpected detours. It's about understanding the full picture, the trade-offs involved, and choosing what truly aligns with our values and our impact on the world around us. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. If you found this perspective valuable, please consider following for more thoughtful discussions.